Oh, Jesus, should I or should I? Actually, I'm more interested in an axolotl. These guys are really cool. It says you can only keep one to get one unless they're in a big tank. And of course, this is white breakers here, and right next door. These guys are all cool. But I don't know that I want to pay that much for one, because I really wanted a pair. I think I prefer them over the mud skippers. However, the appeal of the mud skippers is pretty strong. Oops, I think I had the phone filming for I don't know how long there. Hopefully not more than a couple of seconds, but I didn't get the axolotl and I did not get the African mud skippers because of the aggression issues and needing such a large tank, but I did go ahead and pick up 6 more of the gold white clouds or golden white clouds, and I know that's distorted trying to see them in the bag, but the color is the main thing I was really interested on these. I have 9 in Dharma the Fahaka's tank, and she doesn't bother them, and of course with 9 it looks like a small school in that 50-gallon plexiglass, so this will give us 15 of those. And did it again, got the camera rolling without meaning to. Picked up this guy who you can't see at all because of lighting. By the way, it's storming like heck outside. The sun was going when I went in, or shining when I went in. But this is a Haiti or Haitian anemone, and these guys pack a pretty powerful sting, and I know Chewy's going to let me know that right away, so I'll go ahead and say it. But this one's been in here for several months, and I've had my eye on it, and I've recently had situation change in my main tank so that I could feel fairly safe with this guy in there. I'll make sure I feed it 2 or 3 times a week so it doesn't wander. You know, anemones travel. I've already got all my hang-on back filter intakes covered with pre-filter sponges, and these guys commonly, and other anemones, wander around and get sucked up in those or partially sucked in. And I keep my water level down about 1 inch. I do have an area at the back that's not completely covered, but this may be the day to go ahead and cut out that piece that's made to attach to the canopy. So anyway, I don't want this guy to get out. These are really nice color, and I'm hoping that some of the clownfish will take up with it. So we'll see. So that's my trip to the local fish store. And by the way, I'm going to ask them to do a video on this one. The owner was there today, but they were really slammed and short-handed. So I did not ask her. I want to wait till things are calm and quiet, and I didn't want to do it today anyway. So, alright guys, appreciate you watching, and thanks for everything.